over here. Come here, buddy.
Come here, Rosie.
Come on, buddy.
You're such a dweeb.
That's a boy. That's a boy.
He's a good boy.
Come on over here.
What an awkward teenager.
Ready?
Throw the ball that way. Hey, Rose. Hey, Rose.
Go get it, buddy. Go get it.
Ah.
Yeah! You should be doing
boy.
agility.
He's going to be the first agility dog in a front wheel cart.
You should. Race car drivers? Are you a race car driver? As a woman who's about to do it.
I know. Look at him.
He goes very nicely when he's done, too.
He does. It's so nice to see how well he reaches the ground now.
Yeah, how he uses his hind legs.
Yeah, let's go down the hill. Come on. Come on, Rose. Hey, Rosie. Throw it.
Are you ready? Okay.
We had him into the pond a couple of weeks ago when it was still warm.
Yeah.
And he went into the pond and it was muddy. And he took mud, he rolled over
Yeah.
under the water.
Picked it right up and
I
kept
got him
going,
in there,
huh?
I pulled him out. He wasn't even choking.
Didn't even stop him for a minute.
Uh-oh. Now you gotta watch out.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Can you get it?
Can you get it? I know. You got to get on the other side.
Behind it.
You got to get on the other side, honey.
Is that ball tricking you?
Yeah.
Is it tricking you?
Slow down. Good boy. He knows how to go down those hills.
Maneuvering in the wet.
Yeah.
Atta boy.
Yay, Rosie. Good job. Good job.
Good job, huh?